Oh. Okay, wait, hold on. Don't start yet. Don't start yet. Ready, set. Is there a way to control brightness?
I'm a crackhead, I'm a crackhead.
Hi, I got blue hair and no eyebrows, but we're not going to talk about that because that is not the point of today's video. Also, Sophia, my lovely little sister, is controlling the camera, so if it's bad, it's on her. But today, I don't know where this idea came from. I needed to do it. I'm going to try to train my cat like a dog, like with treats and stuff. But I needed to do that, so we're gonna do that today. Let's go collect the cat. This way. Hi Tito, how are you doing? Good? Great.
The lighting, it's so good.
He knows. This cat hates me. Let's bring him upstairs. Oh god. No! Aria, stay. No! Get away. Aria, get away. Let's go where it's safe, baby. Don't let her in, don't let her in, don't let her in, don't let her in. And now we've collected the cat. Okay, here's some. You get those when you do good today, okay? Great. First, we're going to start with sit. Okay. Sit. Almost. Are you sitting? Sit. Good. Sit. Sit. Oh, you're already sitting. I don't got no more. Sit. 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 Sick! This is sick! My cat's so damn smart. Lay down. No, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good enough, you know? You're doing so good, baby! You're doing so good! Yeah! Now I'm gonna make him stand up. Look. Is that it? Up! Nope, up. Almost. Up. Come on up. This way. Up. Come on.
Why am I helping you film this?
Severus up. Severus up. Yeah! Do it again. Severus up. Yes! My cat's so good! Okay, we're gonna try it. We're gonna start from square one. We're gonna do sit again. You gotta stand up before you sit. You gotta stand up, Severus. Don't eat me. Sit. Sit.
Push the cat down for sit. That just doesn't count. We just don't know how
You're
to.
such a good kitty. Yes, you're a good kitty. He sat. Now we're gonna make him lay down again. Lay down. You gotta lay down.
Oh, he loves you.
Mwah.
Dude, I feel like I'm filming a documentary right now. This is like...
Good kitty. Oh, there's one more. Alright, we're gonna make you stand up again. You're almost done. Up. Up.
Does he? Don't say up and then just hold the treat out.
I'm training my fucking cat. Ooh, bitch. Ooh. 10%.
I have so many better things to be doing right now.
Well, that went about exactly how I planned it, you know? Actually, no, you did great with up. You know up, right? So moral of the story is you can't train a cat like a dog. They're just gonna try and eat you. So that's about it. If you liked the video at all, comment. The fuck should they comment?
Comment cats.
No. Comment what kind of animal you have. There you go. Comment what kind of animal you have. And then, subscribe.
I don't think so.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Good luck.
I'm a crackhead, I'm a crackhead,